Hey there guys! Today I'm back with a summer and fall Bath & Body Works candle haul. Because earlier this week I actually stumbled upon some really good deals for Bath & Body Works candles because they're usually very expensive here in Germany. But there are some shops that do sell them and some of those had quite good deals. So I want to start off with the two summer candles that I got, and I think the other three are more fall winter candles that I decided to stock up on because they were on sale because they're out of season right now. So let's check out the first box. I actually even forgot what I ordered again, so this is gonna be fun. So the first one I got is Mango Mai Tai, and I think this is quite a new one. I haven't heard about this before. I got it because I love mango. Okay, and this definitely smells like mango. Without burning it, it smells a little bit artificial, but I'm interested to see what this smells like when it's burning. So the notes are fresh mango nectar, exotic jasmine, and sun-kissed grapefruit. And that just sounds great. And I think the kind of artificial bit is the jasmine because it gives it more of a floral note, which you wouldn't expect smelling mango. But yeah, I'm excited to see how this burns, and it's very pretty as well with the palm trees and then also the top lid. Very pretty. And then the other one I got, I'm so excited about. This is Watermelon Lemonade. Again, I love the design right here. And the lid of this is black, which is interesting. I have not seen a black lid before. Okay, this is good. Again, it doesn't smell like straight up watermelon, so this is supposed to smell like cool watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. So you get the lemonade. I do like it. It's a little bit more lemon than I expected. And I'm just so curious to see how that burns. You know, I really want to try this. So summer candles are definitely a new thing for me, but I think I chose very well. We'll see how they burn, but you know, from just smelling them in the tub, they are very good scents. I like these a lot. Okay, this next one I'm super excited about as well. This is Toasted Vanilla Chai, so this is more like a autumn candle I got. And this made with essential oils. The notes are ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon and clove. So perfect chai. Oh, okay. Yeah, the vanilla is very strong in this. I'll have to see how that burns. I do like it, but it's a little bit different than I thought it would be. As I said, very strong vanilla hint in here so far. Okay, now for number 4 we have Spiced Gingerbread Swirl. Again, I love the design. And yeah, this one got me really excited. This is more like a Christmas candle. I do like this. This is interesting because it doesn't smell that much, so it would be interesting to see how it smells when you burn it. The fragrance notes are ginger snap, cookie, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And cinnamon and nutmeg are basically my favorite spices, so yeah, I do like this, but it's not as strong so far, so yeah, I hope this spreads well. I really want this to be great because yeah, I'm really excited about this one. Okay, this one I'm so excited about as well, and it's so gorgeous. Look at this. It's holographic. How beautiful is this jar? Oh my god. This is cinnamon pine cone, and I love this. I love piney, woodsy scents. It's just so good. So fragrance notes are fresh pine, cinnamon bark, cedar, and juniper. And I'm so excited about this one. It smells super fresh, super nice. I love this. Oh my god, this is so relaxing. Like, I love scents like this. So yeah, this is definitely a winner. This smells so good. And I think this is a scent that will definitely smell out your whole room. So yeah, super excited about this one as well. So these were the 5 scents that I got. I hope you like this. Please let me know which one of these would be your favorite, or if you're interested to hear any review of these scents or anything like that. Just leave a nice comment. I always appreciate those. And if you like this video, leave a like, because that really makes me happy. And if you subscribe, I will talk to you soon. Bye!